In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Lenovo laptop is not waking up after sleep. So typically when you put in a laptop in sleep mode, you can simply wake it up by touching the touchpad or pressing one of the keys. However, if that doesn't work in your case, what you can do is press the power button on your Lenovo laptop. So simply press the power button once and see if that wakes up the laptop from sleep mode. However, if that doesn't work either, what you can do is press the function key, that is the FN key on your keyboard. So simply press this key once and your laptop should wake up from sleep. If your laptop is still failing to respond, what you can do is press and hold the power button until it turns off completely. Once your laptop is completely off, simply try to turn it back on. Once your laptop is on, you should change a couple of settings so that this problem doesn't appear again. So first head to the search menu and then type in edit power plan. Now select the first result that appears. Now here click on power options and here click on choose what the power button does. Now here click on this change settings link and make sure this turn on fast startup option is not enabled. So if this checkbox is enabled, simply uncheck it and then click on save changes. After that, right click on the start icon and then go to device manager from the list. Now in the device manager window, you will first need to expand mice and other pointing devices. Now right click on your mouse and then select properties. Now go to the power management tab and make sure this option called allow this device to wake the computer is selected. Similarly, repeat the same step for your keyboard driver as well. Once you have done this, head to the settings app on your Lenovo laptop. Go to Bluetooth and devices. Now scroll all the way down and then click on USB and then turn off this USB battery saver option. Once you do this, your Lenovo laptop should wake up from sleep using the touchpad or the keyboard. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.